Mike Cannon-Brookes co-founded Atlassian, a software company that quietly became a global powerhouse. His name is now synonymous with Australian tech success. He stands as one of the country's wealthiest individuals. His fortune was not inherited. It was built, line by code, from a simple idea. He and his partner, Scott Farquhar, turned a university friendship into a multi-billion-dollar public company. Cannon-Brookes is more than just a founder. He has evolved into a prominent public figure. He uses his wealth and influence to champion causes, most notably the urgent transition to clean energy. His story is a case study in modern entrepreneurship. The scale of his success is staggering. Atlassian's tools, like Jira and Confluence, are used by millions of professionals worldwide. They are the digital plumbing for countless organizations, from NASA to small startups. Mike Cannon-Brookes grew up in the suburbs of Sydney. His interest in computers began early, not just a hobby, but a fascination with how systems worked and could be improved. This passion led him to the University of New South Wales to study business information technology. There he met Scott Farquhar. They shared an ambition to avoid conventional corporate paths and build on their own terms. After graduating, they started a business together. Their audacious goal: earn a typical salary without a typical job. They launched in 2002 with a $10,000 line of credit on a credit card. Fiscal discipline from day one, real revenue, real customers, not someone else's money. They began with third-party software support, but saw the greater value was building their own product. Teams lacked effective tools to collaborate and manage projects. They needed a better way to track bugs, manage tasks, and share information. That insight became Jira, a project and issue tracker for developers. They named the company Atlassian, a nod to Atlas and a promise of legendary support. Atlassian grew its first decade without a traditional sales force, by design. If the product is great, it should sell itself. Make tools so useful and easy that teams discover and adopt them on their own. Word of mouth became their strongest channel. They published prices online and offered free trials, radical for enterprise software. End users could try, love, and then buy. Bottom-up adoption drove rapid global penetration. Jira expanded from bug tracking to work management across engineering, marketing, and HR. Confluence made knowledge collaborative, seamlessly integrated with Jira. Together, they formed a sticky ecosystem that propelled product-led growth. Even as offices opened abroad, sales remained primarily digital, efficient and scalable. Relentless product focus built a self-perpetuating growth machine many later emulated. More than a decade of disciplined growth led to one decisive day. On December 10, 2015, Atlassian listed on NASDAQ, a landmark for the company and Australian tech. Valuation on day one, $437 billion. They rang the opening bell in casual attire, a statement of culture. Bootstrapping for years meant minimal dilution and significant founder ownership. As shares climbed, their net worth compounded, cementing billionaire status. The strategy remained: prioritize long-term innovation and customer value over short-term optics. IPO capital fueled selective acquisitions, but principles held steady. Wealth followed a sustainable, profitable business, not a quick exit. His investing mirrors Atlassian's philosophy: think long-term and be patient. He is not a day trader chasing quick profits. Back strong, mission-driven teams, bet on the founders. Great teams adapt until they succeed. He favors companies solving big problems: green tech and enterprise software, foundational technologies and new markets over incremental tweaks, often at the earliest stages providing seed and Series A funding to lift off. He is an active partner: strategy, customer, and partner introductions. Through Grok Ventures, he deploys experience, network, and credibility, not just capital. He is a builder at heart, extending that impulse through his investments. After Atlassian's success, he broadened his focus. Grok Ventures, named from sci-fi for deep understanding, backs world-changing companies. active, influential, and impact-oriented across multiple industries. In 2017, he helped catalyze a giant battery solution for South Australia's energy crisis. The project delivered a global case study. He led investment in Sun Cable, aiming to export Australian solar power to Singapore via undersea cable. As a major AGL Energy shareholder, he blocked a demerger he argued would delay renewables, using shareholder activism and strategic investment to force change from within. His belief, business and capital are powerful levers against climate change. Mike Cannon-Brookes' journey offers a blueprint for today's founders. Great products over flashy marketing. Solve real problems for specific users. The market will follow. Be patient. Build a sustainable, profitable business over years. Keep meaningful ownership. Let compounding work. From builder to public advocate to impact investor. Clean energy is central to his identity as a business leader. He uses credibility, platform, and capital to tackle global challenges. He built an empire on code, customer focus, and fiscal discipline, proving you can build globally from Australia with product-led growth. Then reinvesting wealth to accelerate sustainable innovation. A clear idea executed with patience and purpose, creating immense value and meaningful impact.